जो स्नैक हम बनाने वाले हैं इज वेरी वेरी हेल्दी। सो अभी जो अभी सब घर पे है एंड पैकेट्स बहुत ज़्यादा खुल रहे हैं क्योंकि शायद किसी को कुछ बनाने का मन नहीं कर रहा एंड इट्स ईजियर टू जस्ट ओपन अ पैकेट एंड ईट समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट। बट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू दैट डोंट डू दैट बिकॉज इट्स detrimental to your health, especially in a time like that. I mean, especially in a time like now. So try and eat as much as possible easy to make home food. The more home food you eat, the more your immune system will try to thank you for it. So immunity बढ़ाने के लिए प्लीज घर का बना हुआ खाना खाइए। इसलिए आज हम एकदम सिंपल और सब इजी घर पे जो अवेलेबल है वो इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ स्नैक बनाने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है। पहले आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी एक फूड प्रोसेसर की और हम जो बनाने वाले हैं उसका नाम है आयुर्वेदिक एनर्जी बाइट्स। यहाँ पे जितने भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं हमारे, वो सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स में कुछ ना कुछ हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स है। ईच एंड एवरी इंग्रेडिएंट हैज सम ऑफ द अदर हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स व्हिच बूस्ट योर इम्यूनिटी एंड वी ऑल नो हाउ मच इम्यूनिटी वी नीड राइट नाउ। So let's start. We need a food processor, okay, for this. Get your food processor and we'll start adding in the ingredients. It's a very simple recipe, okay. Let's start with the first ingredient. So first ingredient is dates, khajur, okay. We need 1 cup of dates or khajur, seedless, उसके seeds निकाल दीजिएगा, ठीक है, and put in बिना seed वाले 1 cup of khajur inside. खजूर की खास बात यह है कि इसको आप शुगर की रिप्लेसमेंट में यूज कर सकते हैं। सो विथ इवन एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट डायबिटिक पीपल कैन कंज्यूम dates in on a daily basis because this is such a beautiful fruit that it gives you the right amount of sweetness and it also has tons of health benefits. It's very rich in fiber. The khajur is very rich in fiber and it is also loaded with a lot of antioxidants. So we have put in our khajur. Also our recipe today does not have any sugar in it. It does not have any oil in it. We're using very easy, very healthy ingredients today. So the first one that we've put in is dates. Second, we need half cup of oats, rolled oats. Any kind of oats which you have at home is okay. So we're going to add in half a cup of our oats. So the benefit with oats, they are very rich in fiber. They help with reducing your hypertension levels, blood pressure. They help with people who have high sugar levels. So oats is an excellent food for people who suffer from hypertension, lot of stress, and also people who have diabetes, high blood sugar levels. So please include oats, half a cup of it in our food processor. Third ingredient is we're using 1/3 cup of mixed nuts. So nuts में we're using today almonds and walnut का combination. आपको अगर खाली almonds यूज करने हैं आप खाली almonds यूज कीजिए, अगर आपको खाली walnuts यूज करने हैं आप खाली walnuts यूज कर सकते हैं, whatever is available at your house right now. So I have almonds and walnuts both, so I'm going to be putting in 1/3 cup of a mix of almond and walnuts. This is done. Now comes our next ingredient. So we're going to talk about this at length first. This is a very important ingredient. I would like to talk about this because this makes our today's snack very very healthy and also very very helpful during this time. I'll tell you why. We're using ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a very age-old medicinal herb, especially used widely in our Ayurveda system. Ashwagandha has so many benefits. I would like to just name a few right now. One is that it is an adaptogenic herb. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये हमारी बॉडी को स्ट्रेस से या फिर अनफेमिलियर एनवायरनमेंट से अडेप्ट होने में हेल्प करता है। हम सब फिलहाल बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस से गुजर रहे हैं and I think if we have to have something which is a natural thing which helps us reduce our stress levels, then why not? So we have taken 2 teaspoons of ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha powder is available in most chemists, or else you can also order it online, and some people also have it at home all the time. So this is a good recipe to finally use your ashwagandha powder which you have at home. 2 teaspoons of ashwagandha powder. Another really important element of ashwagandha is that it has cortisol reducing properties. So cortisol, as most people know, is a stress hormone, and the Ayurvedic herb ashwagandha helps us to lower our cortisol levels, which means that it helps us to deal with day-to-day stresses, which is why it's an important part of our snack that we're making today. Next ingredient, we're going to be putting in 1 teaspoon of ginger powder or soot powder. Ginger powder के benefits तो सबको पता होते हैं, but of course immune building again, while we're in the topic of immunity, so immune building properties, anti-inflammatory properties. Also, some people really like me, they really like the taste of ginger. So soot and ginger powder is going to be put into this. After this, what we're going to put is we're going to be putting 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Nutmeg is also known as jaifal. A lot of people know it locally as jaifal, and it's called nutmeg in English. There are lots of benefits of jaifal and nutmeg. Just to name a few, is that again it has properties which reduce our stress levels. It also has properties which gives us good sleep at night, So I'm sure your dadis, your nannies, your mothers would have always told you that रात को हल्दी वाले दूध में थोड़ा nutmeg भी डालेंगे, थोड़ा जायफल भी डालेंगे. So that is another reason for it. So we're going to be putting in 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. So if you don't have nutmeg at home, or if you don't like nutmeg, you can also substitute this with cinnamon, dalchini powder. So, but I have used nutmeg today. You can use, and in fact you can also add cinnamon powder to this as an extra if you like the taste of cinnamon. So we've put in our dry ingredients now. Okay, now is the chance of peanut butter. We're going to be adding in 2 tablespoons, 2 big spoons of peanut butter. Peanut butter obviously has again a lot of benefits. Peanuts are very rich in antioxidants. So when people say कि red wine में antioxidants level होते हैं, अपने heart के लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है, but actually peanuts में भी same होता है. So for people who don't want to have red wine, they can actually have peanuts. They give you the same benefits. So peanuts are also rich in healthy fats, okay, and they are our local fruit, local available product. So we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of peanut butter over here. And also peanut butter is very tasty, so it's going to make our healthy snack, which you can also eat as a dessert, very tasty. If you are allergic to peanuts, because some people are allergic to peanuts, you can actually substitute this with using almond butter or using any other nut butter that you are comfortable having. So today we have used peanut butter. Now the last ingredient is about 2 tablespoons of any kind of milk that you want. You can use a nut milk, you can use your regular milk that you have. I have used almond milk. This is 2 tablespoons of almond milk that I'm going to put inside. You can also put in coconut milk. You can also put in any kind of, regular dairy milk that you like and if you have at home. So this goes inside. So all our ingredients are in the food processor now. We're going to start, blending all this. I would like to apologize for the sound that we're going to make now. So, just bear with me. There's going to be a little bit of sound, okay? Okay, here goes. Right now the consistency is a little big chunks, but because we want to make this into small bite-sized balls, we want a very smooth consistency. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to process it a little more. like a dough-like consistency, you know, जैसे आटा होता है, so थोड़ा semi आटे type का consistency होने लगेगा. That is when you know that your mixture is ready. So now we have a bowl that we have from before over here. We're going to transfer a mixture into the bowl now. Take out our nice, you know, see, so simple, it just came out like that only. So for people, you know, I would just like to show you the consistency. So this is our mixture, this is how it looks. It has to look like a dough ball, okay? So this is ready now, and all you have to do is you have to form like, you know, whatever size you like, you have to form. Take that much mixture in your hand, okay? And slowly start rolling them into, you know, nice. Please sanitize your hands before you know, rolling the balls. So there goes the first one. Okay, so we're ready. So this is our Ayurvedic energy bite ball. Okay, you can store these in airtight container. You can keep this in the fridge, and these are going to, so in the fridge they're going to last you for 2 days. And then what you can do is you can transfer these, because we've made it in bulk. क्योंकि रोज नहीं बनाना है, एक बार बना के, you know, everybody can enjoy after that. So एक एयरटाइट कंटेनर में बंद करके फ्रीजर में रखिएगा, तो आप इसको रोज निकाल के खा सकते हैं. अब इसको खाने का कोई पर्टिकुलर टाइम नहीं है, बट यू नो, बिकॉज इट इज सो रिच ऑफ ऑल दीज you know, good fats, good fiber, and so much of energy. This is perfect for people who want to eat it before a workout. अब घर पे सब लोग, you know, because our segment is also fitness at home, so I'm sure everybody is trying and getting a little more active every day at home. So this is a perfect snack to have right before starting your exercises. If you do yoga, if you're doing home exercises, this snack is just perfect to have. So this is how it's going to happen. We are going to, you know, roll all the energy bites. So the good part about these energy bites is, you know, that they're actually like, if you eat one or if you eat two, you know, you feel happy, content, and you feel, you know, satisfied. You don't have to then go across and eat more chips, so you don't have to eat more chocolate or anything. So they help you with, you know, building satiety levels also in your body. So I have a lot of people who tell me that, you know, हम पूरा दिन बैठ के बस खाते रहते हैं आजकल, you know. So to reduce your hunger pangs and to stop you from eating continuously, you know, this kind of a snack is fantastic. So I'm going to roll one more, okay, and then the rest of the mixture I will do later. Yay! So we're ready. So these are our, you know, Ayurvedic energy bites. They're ready, okay, and I hope you like the recipe, and I hope you're going to make this recipe. What we'll do is we'll, you know, with all the ingredient measurements and everything, we post it after this live session, so that, you know, people who have probably missed one or two steps, they can actually get back to it, and they can then, you know, look at all those ingredients, and then they can make it. So we'll post the recipe as soon as the live session is over. But for everybody who was watching, I hope you like the recipe. I hope you will make it. I guarantee that this recipe is going to be very popular with the kids. You know, घर पे बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा. Also, you know, it is so tasty that बार-बार बना के खाएंगे. Why not? You know, there are lots of substitutes of this also. You know, you could probably add a little bit of cocoa powder to this to add it a little, to make it a little more chocolatey. And also, so, you know, if someone does not have ashwagandha at home, you know, और अभी अगर आपके पास अवेलेबल भी नहीं है तो कोई बात नहीं, उसको ऐड नहीं करिएगा. एक दो इंग्रेडिएंट्स अगर नहीं है तो नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन स्किप दैट एंड प्रॉबेबली यू कैन ऐड इन, लेट्स से as I mentioned, the substitution of cinnamon instead of nutmeg. अश्वगंधा अगर नहीं है घर पे कोई बात नहीं, उसको मत डालिए. You can also actually add sesame seeds in this. So sesame seeds are very rich in calcium, especially for the women. Okay, it has very high levels of calcium. So you can also add sesame seeds, til, white til, in this recipe to add a little more health benefit to it. And as I mentioned earlier, for kids, if you want to add a little bit of cocoa powder and make it more chocolatey, you can also do that.